Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on or turn off the shaking of your camera when there are some explosion. So let's get started. What you need to do is click the setting button at the top of your screen. You can adjust it in the audio and graphic. There are some options here, but you can tap on audio and graphic, tap the effects, scroll down. As you can see, this is camera shake settings. You can turn it on or off the explosion shake. Let's try it in the gameplay. Welcome to the gameplay. As you can see, I'm holding a grenade. So if you turn on your shake camera shaking, let's try. So I will be near in the grenade. So your camera will shake. But if you turn it off, the camera will still. So give it a try. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the game.